Hello and welcome everybody. Very pleased to welcome you to today's session through Legal Futures. My name's Safta Mahmood and today I'm going to be speaking to you about this area surrounding the Domestic Abuse Act of 2021, taking you through some of the key developments and looking at what has changed in this field. Now, as always with these sessions, I've prepared a number of slides for you and the aim is to go through these over the course of the hour and then to be able to expand on some of these and put them into context for you. So this act then, the Domestic Abuse Act, it's been in place now for a couple of years. In fact, it came in at the back end of April 2021, so 29th of April 2021. So it's been in place now for just over 2 years. And some of the aspects are already in place that came in on a day the act was introduced. But interestingly, this is one of those acts where it's coming into effect piecemeal. So in fact, the most recent updates were just over a month ago, the 5th of April 2023, which I'll take you through. Okay, so there's new offences, there's the procedure, changes to that, there's no doubt going to be changes to the way in which we operate and run non-molestation and occupation cases, occupation order cases, so we'll have a look at that. And with that in mind, what I'm going to be doing today then is going through with you a summary of the Act, firstly, talking a little bit about the various provisions. We'll go through a definition of domestic abuse, what's changed, what's in that definition, how are we using it. We'll look at cross-examination, see how the law on that has changed going forward. The QLRs, which some of you are becoming more familiar with, i.e. the qualified legal reps. We'll have a look at that. Special measures, participation directions. We'll have a look at that, see what's changed. And then we'll look at some of the aspects on domestic abuse protection notices and orders. How are these pilots going to be progressed? And then we'll look at the way in which this act then ties in with non-mol and occupation orders. So in terms of notices and the protection orders, we'll look at electronic monitoring. I want to take you through economic abuse, children being victims of abuse, some of the new offences, and then the DVDS scheme. We'll look at that and some of the other aspects related to polygraph examinations and domestic abuse officers and partnership boards. So a number of issues that I'm going to be covering with you in this session. So